Good afternoon, my dear kids. Welcome back to my class. Children, today I will be teaching you about animals. God has made living things, isn't it? Living things and non-living things. In living things, what are the living things? People, animals, trees. Okay, so today we'll talk about animals. Okay, there are wild animals, there are domestic animals, and we have some pet animals also. Okay, so today I want to tell you a small story. Toto the hen. This story is about a boy and his hen. Okay, so let's look at the screen. I'll explain you this story. Toto the hen. He had a hen and the hen name is Toto. Toto is black in color and the boy name is Rahish. Okay, so this is a story about Rahish and his hen Toto. Rahish had a hen. She was black hen. Her name was Toto. Who is Toto? The hen. Whose name is Rahish? The boy. Hen was his pet hen. Okay. Toto lived in a coop. Now how we live inside our house? Like that, animals also have their house. For some animals we build house. Some animals they find their own house. So where does the hen lives? Hen lives in a coop. Toto lived in a coop. You can see a coop. Yes, and see you can see the hen. Toto was a very smart hen. Toto was very intelligent, very smart hen. You know how the hen shouts cock 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 cock. How did Toto sounds? Cock 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 cock. Rahish used to give food to her every day and played with her. They became good friends. When Toto laid an egg, see how smart she is. When she gives egg, she makes special sound. Cock 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 cock. Then Rahish comes to know, oh, my hen has laid eggs. We all like to eat eggs, isn't it? When Toto laid an egg, she used to make a special sound. Cock 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 cock. Then Rahish came out and fed Toto. Fed means kuch khilana Toto. Fed Toto and took the egg for him. He gave something to eat to Toto and he took the egg for himself. Very smart, no, Rahish is? One night, Rahish was sleeping in the bed. See how nicely he is sleeping. He heard the special sound of Toto. Cock, 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 cock. Rahish came out from the house. Toto ran to Rahish and pecked his leg. Rahish understood something is wrong. Rahish looked around to see what happened. He smelled something burning. Burning means कुछ जलने की उसको smell आया. Then he looked here and there. What happened? From where this smell is coming? Burning smell is coming. Oh my God! The coop is on fire. Now whose house was burning? Toto's house was burning. He shouted. The coop was in a mess. The coop was in a mess. Rahish ran to the tap of water and took the pipe. Then he showered the water and put out the fire. Then Rahish bent and picked up Toto. You smart ant, my dear friend, you have saved my farm. You all know what is the meaning of farm? Said Rahish. Toto happily replied to Rahish, caw, caw, caw. So children, you understood the story of Rahish and his. So children, you understood the story of Rahish and his pet hen. In this way, you must also take care of your pets, and you must feed them on time. Take care of them. You know, no, some people have pet animals like cat, dog, parrot, lovebirds, fish, hen. You know? But do you keep lion and tiger? No. Okay, so you understood this story? Now say children, how we live, how we need house. The same way animals too need house to live. Now if you see in page number 28, they have given some animals names and their shelter name and their song names. Now look at the page number 28. Hen. Where does the hen lives? What is the house of hen called? Coop. And how does the hen shouts? Cluck, quack, cluck, 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 cluck. How does the horse? Where does the horse live? Stable. And horse sounds is neigh. Dog lives in a kennel. And the dog barks. Lion lives in his den. And how does the lion sounds? Roar. Elephants live in a jungle. An elephant sound is called trumpet. Bee. Bee lives in a beehive. And what is the sound of bee? Buzz, 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 buzz. Mouse. Where does the mouse lives? In a hole. And how does how the mouse sound? Squeak, squeak, squeak. Where does the duck lives? The duck lives in a water. And how does the duck sound? Quack, quack, quack. So children, in this way, animals too need house. They need food. Okay. Children, I would like to explain you one small thing. Can you see? See, teacher gave you the word peacock. Okay, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Now you have to find out some small words inside this spelling. इस spelling word is spelling के अंदर छोटे words are there that you have to find out. Okay. Now see, peacock word I gave. You can pick out P-E-A-P. What is now P-E-A? Mutter. You eat this vegetable, no? Mutter. P-E-A-P. Now what else you can make? Think. I'll help you. Cock. C-O-C-K, cock. Peacock. P is a vegetable, cock is a bird. So you got two words. Now think something else. What else you can make? You can make C-A-P, cap. Isn't it? C-A-P. C is there, A is there and P is there. So C-A-P, cap. What else? Something which you like very much. You know what? You can make cake. See, C is there. C-A-K-E. Cake. Interesting, no? This topic. Now see, I'll give you next word. That is elephant. Now come on, you think which words you can make from this big word. Which small words you can make? A-N-T, Ant. A is there, N is there, T is there. Correct. Ant. Yes. Tea. Chai. T-E-A-T. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. Pant. P-A-N-T. Pant. Nice, no children? Plant. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Like this you must find small words from inside the big words. और ये छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स है ना जो बिग वर्ड्स में छुपे हैं, दिस टॉपिक इज कॉल्ड हिडन वर्ड्स. अंडरस्टूड? छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स जो बड़े वर्ड्स के अंदर छुपे हैं ना, दे आर कॉल्ड हिडन वर्ड्स. नाउ सी वन मोर एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग. जस्ट लुक teacher, which word she is showing you? Butterfly. Very easy word, no children? Now come on, tell me. Think in your mind. Yes, butter. Muska. Butter. F-L-Y. Fly. B-U-T. But. What else you can make? Now children, I'll be giving you some words and you have to find the hidden words. Okay, so children, I have merged lessons of animals, that is Toto the hen and animals and their shelter. Okay, jungle safari, which are related about the animals. So I'll be sending you worksheet number 14. I have merged all these lessons and I have prepared worksheet number 14. You think and answer the given worksheet. Okay? And children, read Toto the hen lesson. The next time reading test will be of Toto the hen. Okay children? So do the given homework. Take care of yourself. Bye.